What's something people don't know about national parks? They're not just parks, they're epic adventures. First stop, Yellowstone National Park. Home to the iconic Old Faithful geyser and stunning hot springs, this park is a geothermal wonderland. Next, we venture to the majestic Grand Canyon National Park. Its sheer size and breathtaking vistas will leave you speechless. Over to Yosemite National Park, where towering waterfalls and ancient sequoias stand tall. It's a paradise for rock climbers and photographers alike. Now breathe in the misty air of Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Known for its diverse wildlife and lush forests, it's a hiker's dream. Finally, we arrive at Zion National Park. With its red rock cliffs and narrow slot canyons, adventure awaits around every corner. Which national park would you love to visit? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.